got a few more inches of snow last night, so gonna break out the old 66 plow Jeep. 1966 CJ5 with the Dauntless V6. However, first things first, we need some brake fluid. That ought to do. Just overflowed it. We'll get some quick dry on that. Couldn't really see down in there very good, so she's full. All right, we've got brake fluid. Let's get some fuel in her. Since there is a fuel leak, I don't want to overfill it unnecessarily, so we'll put some in it. If I run out while I'm out in the driveway, I'll throw some more in, but I don't want to fill it so much that I have a lot left in the tank when I'm done, just to leak it out on the floor. So, alright, let's get this pig fired up. Pull that choke out. Alright, any bets on whether she fires up or not? First try. Alright, I'll get the battery tender off of it, get her shut up, and we'll get plowing now. So just about done plowing. Kind of did a crappy job of getting footage of it all, but had a good time anyway. Got a little path up to the barn so we can get to the chickens and the eggs. But gonna wrap this up and get her put away. So good times, had fun, but kind of hard to video plowing, and who wants to watch me plow for half an hour, hour or two, whatever it took. I don't know, lost track of times, had so much fun, but she does a good job. She's ugly, she's a beast, but she gets her done. See ya.